She's a survivor. She's gonna make it. Keep on surviving! At least after she's caught her breath. Quick, there are ships! Get their attention! Yoo-hoo! Well, here's the next best thing. Supplies. Is there food? Oh, even better, a smartphone. Oh no, we could have used it to order a pizza or call for help. Well, I guess this works too. Let's just hope those ships are still there. Oh, that doesn't look good. And I don't think she's got a napkin. And now she's got a splinter. Luckily, this syringe works better than tweezers. It just sucks it out. Wow, this tropical island sure is chilly. Maybe this stretch wrap can help keep our temperature secure. It's a brand new sweater. Let's cut it up into a jacket. But let's add our own flair to this coat. Take out that marker. Fashion with function. Good, protect the stuff. Something tells me there's more helpful gadgets inside. Oh, what a lucky break. Strawberries. Are they fresh? Well, that answers that. We might be in the middle of nowhere, but she's not an animal. And this makeshift toilet will help her feel comfortable. That cushioned seat is just classy. The toilets at home wish they had such soft seats. Let's see what else is in here. It's a sleeping bag you can practically wear. Just remember to zip things up nice and tight. And just think, this bear costume might scare off predators. Oh no, is the luggage okay? And you're all messy. The one thing better than a change of clothes is a way to clean them. Now you can wear the same thing every day, just like in the cartoons. Wow, it's like combining laundry day and leg day all in one. Now that's nice and clean. Oh no. She's got that look in her eyes. Talk about your bleach blonde. What's that hot, musky smell? Oh, it's you. Do these pop tubes give you any ideas? Well, take this bottle and use it to collect some water. Now these tubes can become part of a makeshift shower. Any hope you've got air conditioning in there? Next best thing. Look at all that water. If only it smelled as good as it looked. With this bottle and some cloth, we can collect clean water, drip by drip. And will you look at that? A message in a bottle. A helpline? If only you hadn't destroyed that smartphone. But maybe this bottle can help us. Add duct tape. And now we have a cute little cup for all our cup-related needs. Apples! Let's hope they're fresher than those strawberries. And they fall right to you. Talk about convenience. Cocoa and apples? Oh, she's making hot chocolate in an apple. Let it cook, and don't forget the marshmallows. And when you're done, you get to eat the cup. Hiking 101 says you need to keep your feet dry, unless you like blisters. Let's hope there's some shoes packed in here. Oh, even better, waterproof socks. Let's test them out, but not too much. Can't waste good water. Let's see if all this money survives. I mean, it's not like it's gonna do us any good on this deserted island. Time for a nap. Who would have guessed rocks would be too hard to be pillows? Maybe this inflatable pool could make a soft bed. Throw in some pillows that we could have used before. Could use an extension. Let's see what we can whip up with this hoop. Add a curtain, and we have some shade. Good thing you looked before you leaped. People seldom do. Wait, is she gonna skateboard down that thing? Sure beats walking. Toto, I have a feeling we're still in Kansas. Probably should keep an eye on your things. And this is why you wear a helmet and knee pads. Where'd you get those marshmallows anyway? Catch you next time.